Alrighty guys, another day in the 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback Turbo 1.5. We are at about 110 feet elevation comparative to where we were at 5,500 feet elevation the last time I did a video. I wanted to do a quick 0 to 60 and see what the difference is. Of course, we are still in Mexico. I'd like to do a brake boost here in sport mode, and we'll see how it goes. 0 to 60, 18 Civic Hatchback. Let's see how it goes. And it is a bit zippier. You can definitely tell the elevation change is definitely different. It's a little more responsive. It picks up a little bit quicker. It's not as noticeable as it would be in a naturally aspirated car, but it is definitely a significant improvement. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any ideas for other videos I could do with the 18 Honda Civic Hatchback, let me know in the comments below. Hopefully you're having a good day, and happy Easter. Take care.